Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Do you ever ask yourself this question? Wait, did I share this file with the client or is this the file with my internal only scribblings? I used to ask myself this all the time. It's not immediately obvious from Google Drive or even from inside a file whether it's shared with people outside your company, for example, with clients, or whether the file was meant for internal eyes only. And there's not even an option to search for externally shared files from the user interface of Drive. At one point, to help me more easily figure out if a file is shared with externals, I started naming files with shared in their titles. When I share them with, for example, clients or people external to my company domain, or if I turn on link sharing for anyone with the link to be able to access it. This way, I know at a glance whether a file is shared beyond the four walls of the company, and it helps ensure that the right people see the information. This method works both for files stored in gmail.com accounts and the Google Workspace Business Starter Edition. Now, if you want to get really creative, you can come up with other naming conventions for your files, but you want to be careful. You don't want to come up with more than one or two because you won't apply your own naming convention if your system is too complicated. In the next video, we'll explore a feature that can help you tag your files similarly using a feature that is only available in select editions of Google Workspace Business Standard and up. If you have Google Workspace Business Starter or if you use gmail.com, your best bet is to stay with the name of the files. But if you have Business Standard or higher, tune in for the next video. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.